This video is about setting up and using price lists in Khaos Control Cloud. Although the use of price lists is completely optional, they are a very powerful promotional and marketing tool, allowing you to give different customers or groups of customers different prices. The process of setting up a price list starts with creating the price list in System Data. This is done by going to the System Setup screen and selecting System Data. Here we double-click on the Price Lists line to open up the Price Lists screen. Here we can see several price lists we already have set up in our system. By going into Edit mode and clicking the New button, we can add a new line. We can then name our new price list. And we'll then save. Note that in this screen you can specify net prices for your price list and also check that the price list is active. Now that we've created our price list, we need to populate it with some products. And to do this, we go to the Promotion screen and select Customer Price List. We can then select the price list we've just created from the drop-down. As you can see, the price list is empty, but by going into Edit mode, we can start adding some products. Clicking the New button will open up the Stock Lookup screen, and we'll add our first product. In the price list grid, the price column indicates the price the customer will actually pay. At the moment, this is the same as our list price because we haven't applied any pricing structures as yet. Using the different columns in the grid, there are various ways in arriving at a price that the customer using this price list will actually pay. We'll look at some of these now. The item we've just added has a list price of 99 pence. We're going to use the amount column to give this item an alternative price in this price list of 79 pence. We can see that as soon as we save the price list, the selling price of this item in this price list has changed to 79 pence. That's the price that customers who are allocated this price list will now pay for this item. Customers who haven't been allocated this price list will still pay the standard price of 99 pence. Next, we'll look at using quantity breaks to specify different prices depending on how many of an item a customer buys. To do this, we'll need to add the same item to the price list multiple times, depending on how many quantity bands we want. Here we're using 3 different quantity bands. In this example, a customer who buys between 1 and 10 of this item will receive a 5% discount, the discount being applied using the discount percentage column. In the next row, between 11 and 50, and they'll receive a 10% discount. And finally, anybody buying over 51 will receive a 15% discount. Bear in mind to make sure the high figure is higher than the quantity anyone's likely to buy. Again, we'll save our price lists and you can see the updated sell prices based on the quantity breaks we've just set up. We'll now go into Edit mode and add another new item to our price list. This time we're going to use the markup column so the customer pays a specified percentage increase on our buy price. We're going to charge the customer a 30% markup on our buy price for this item. The different columns can be used in combination with one another. To illustrate this, we'll add another item to the price list. For this item, we're going to specify a different price in the amount column and also a discount in the discount percentage column. Note that in this case the discount is applied to the figure in the amount column and not to the list price. Now that we've created our price list, we can save it. Price lists can be allocated either to individual customers or to groups of customers. Let's see how to allocate a price list to an individual customer. First of all, we'll need to open the customer's record. We then go to the Customer's Structured Pricing tab. Here we can see that the customer is already allocated a retail price list, but we're going to remove this one and add our new one instead. In Edit mode, we select the price list we want to remove and click the Bin It button. From the drop down, we can now select our new price list, click the Add button and then Save. and as you can see, the customer now has the prices that we set up earlier. We can also allocate the price list to groups of customers using the company classes functionality. We'll go to the system setup screen in order to access system data. From here, we'll double click on company classes to open up that screen. We'll now go into edit mode, and by using the drop down we can link that price list to that company class. And we then save. This means that any future customer who we allocate to the retail company class will benefit from the prices we set up earlier. Thank you for watching.